case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark case in 1978, two major freight carriers, Consolidated and Raymond, took on the state of Wisconsin over its regulations on truck length and configuration. The regulations stipulated that vehicles over 55 feet were not to be permitted on its highways. This regulatory hurdle posed a direct challenge for both companies, who utilized 65-foot trucks to ferry goods across state lines, specifically between the bustling hubs of Chicago and Minneapolis. This arbitrary restriction piqued their interest, and they sued Wisconsin, rallying behind the Commerce Clause. It essentially authorizes Congress to manage trade between states and restricts states from enacting laws that hinder or discriminate against interstate commerce. The lower court ruled in favor of the transport companies and tasked Wisconsin to justify its seemingly unwarranted restrictions. In its defense, Wisconsin cited highway safety concerns to legitimize its regulations. However, Consolidated and Raymond retaliated with substantial evidence debunking the assumption that longer trucks posed a higher safety risk on the highways. Due to the mounting evidence, the protracted legal battle eventually found its way to the Supreme Court's jurisdiction. Upon review, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the transport companies, while overtly championing the inviolability of the Commerce Clause. They believed Wisconsin's regulations imposed an undue burden on interstate commerce without significant contribution to highway safety. The ruling underscored that the state's preferential treatment of local industries had undermined the political process that acts as a safeguard against obstacles to interstate commerce. In their verdict, the court stressed that this resolution was specific to the Consolidated and Raymond case alone. This ruling reinstated the district court's judgment and instructed the case to go through for additional proceedings that align with the court's decision. Accordingly, Wisconsin's unwavering stance on truck length and configuration was deemed a violation of the Commerce Clause.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.